Today we will be discussing the 5 effects of vitamin B1 in boosting energy production. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in energy production in the body. In this video, we will explore how vitamin B1 helps to metabolize carbohydrates, produce adenosine triphosphate, ATP, maintain proper nervous system function, aid in red blood cell production, and support brain function. Understanding these effects can help you optimize your energy levels and overall health. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of vitamin B1 and energy production. 1. Metabolism of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a crucial source of energy for our bodies, and they are broken down into glucose, which can be used by our cells as fuel. The process of breaking down carbohydrates into glucose is called carbohydrate metabolism. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, plays a critical role in carbohydrate metabolism by helping to convert carbohydrates into glucose. This process happens in several steps. First, carbohydrates are broken down into a simple sugar called pyruvate through a process called glycolysis. Pyruvate is then converted into a compound called acetyl-CoA, which enters a cycle called the Krebs cycle. During the Krebs cycle, acetyl-CoA is further broken down into carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of ATP. Vitamin B1 is essential for the first step of this process because it helps an enzyme called pyruvate dehydrogenase work properly. Pyruvate dehydrogenase is responsible for converting pyruvate into acetyl-CoA, which is necessary for the rest of the process. Without enough vitamin B1, pyruvate dehydrogenase may not function correctly, leading to a decrease in energy production. If our bodies do not have enough vitamin B1 to properly metabolize carbohydrates, we may experience symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and decreased energy levels. This can be especially problematic for athletes or people who engage in high-intensity exercise, as they rely heavily on carbohydrates for energy. Ensuring adequate vitamin B1 intake can help support optimal carbohydrate metabolism, leading to improved energy production and overall health. In summary, vitamin B1 is essential for the metabolism of carbohydrates, which are the primary source of energy for our bodies. By helping to convert carbohydrates into glucose, vitamin B1 plays a critical role in ensuring that our cells have the fuel they need to function correctly. 2. ATP production. Adenosine triphosphate, ATP, is the energy currency of the body, and it is produced in the mitochondria of our cells. Mitochondria are small, specialized organelles that are responsible for converting the energy from the food we eat into ATP. Vitamin B1 is required for the proper functioning of these organelles and is therefore involved in ATP production. The process of ATP production involves the electron transport chain, which is a series of chemical reactions that take place in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. During this process, electrons are passed along a series of proteins, which generates a proton gradient across the membrane. This proton gradient is then used to drive the production of ATP from adenosine diphosphate, ADP, and inorganic phosphate, PI. Vitamin B1 plays a critical role in the electron transport chain by helping to form a molecule called thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP. TPP is required for the proper functioning of an enzyme called alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, which is involved in the electron transport chain. Without enough vitamin B1, the formation of TPP may be impaired, leading to a decrease in ATP production. Therefore, ensuring adequate vitamin B1 intake is essential for optimal ATP production and overall energy levels. By supporting the proper functioning of the mitochondria and electron transport chain, vitamin B1 plays a crucial role in ensuring that our cells have the energy they need to function correctly. 3. Nervous system function. Vitamin B1 plays a critical role in the proper functioning of the nervous system, including the transmission of nerve impulses. The nervous system is responsible for controlling and coordinating all of the body's activities, including energy production. The nervous system is made up of neurons, which communicate with each other through the transmission of electrical signals called nerve impulses. These nerve impulses are carried by molecules called neurotransmitters, which are produced and released by neurons. Vitamin B1 is essential for the production of neurotransmitters, including acetylcholine and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which are involved in nerve impulse transmission. In addition to its role in neurotransmitter production, vitamin B1 is also involved in the myelin sheath's formation, which is the protective layer that surrounds and insulates neurons. Myelin is critical for proper nerve impulse transmission, and without enough vitamin B1, myelin formation may be impaired, leading to nerve damage and dysfunction. Furthermore, the nervous system plays a crucial role in regulating energy production by controlling metabolic processes such as glucose uptake and insulin secretion. By ensuring the proper functioning of the nervous system, vitamin B1 supports optimal energy production and overall health. Therefore, ensuring adequate vitamin B1 intake is crucial for maintaining proper nervous system function and supporting optimal energy production. By supporting neurotransmitter production and myelin formation, vitamin B1 helps to ensure that nerve impulses are transmitted correctly, supporting proper nervous system function and overall health. 4. Red blood cell production. Vitamin B1 plays an important role in the production of red blood cells, which are essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Oxygen is critical for energy production because it is required for the process of cellular respiration, which produces ATP. Red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow, and vitamin B1 is required for the proper functioning of this process. Specifically, vitamin B1 helps to support the production of heme, which is a component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Heme synthesis requires several enzymes, including one that is activated by vitamin B1, called delta-aminolevulinic acid synthase, ALAS. Without enough vitamin B1, the production of heme may be impaired, leading to a decrease in the number of red blood cells and a reduction in the amount of oxygen carried throughout the body. This can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Therefore, ensuring adequate vitamin B1 intake is crucial for the production of red blood cells and the delivery of oxygen throughout the body. By supporting heme synthesis and red blood cell production, vitamin B1 helps to ensure that there is an adequate supply of oxygen for cellular respiration and energy production, supporting optimal health and well-being. 5. Brain function. Vitamin B1 plays an important role in supporting proper brain function, including memory and cognitive function. The brain is a complex organ that requires a significant amount of energy to function correctly. Vitamin B1 helps to ensure that the brain is getting the energy it needs by supporting the metabolism of glucose, the primary source of energy for the brain. Glucose is essential for providing the brain with the energy it needs to carry out its functions, including memory and cognitive function. Vitamin B1 is required for the proper metabolism of glucose, ensuring that it is converted into energy efficiently. In addition, vitamin B1 is involved in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is important for memory and cognitive function. Furthermore, vitamin B1 plays a role in protecting the brain from damage caused by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, and the body's ability to detoxify them. This imbalance can lead to damage to cells, including brain cells, and contribute to the development of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Therefore, ensuring adequate vitamin B1 intake is crucial for supporting optimal brain function and protecting against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. By supporting glucose metabolism, neurotransmitter production, and protecting against oxidative stress, vitamin B1 helps to ensure that the brain is getting the energy and protection it needs to function properly. And that concludes our discussion on the 5 effects of vitamin B1 in boosting energy production. It's clear that this essential nutrient plays a vital role in ensuring that our bodies have the energy they need to function correctly. By incorporating vitamin B1-rich foods like whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds into your diet or taking supplements, you can support your energy levels and overall health. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content like this.